Maybe I'm Celissa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. And welcome to a short cook with me. I would like to make these salmon patties, which are, I'll say, economically friendly because I'm using canned salmon that I have left over from my hurricane season prep stash that I want to finish up. The recipe I based this off of is from Island Vibe Cooking. I'll link the recipe below. She does not do it with salmon. She does beef patties, but basically it is loosely based on it. It's the same principle. I'm doing 2 cups of flour, some sugar, just a little bit. So, turmeric, if you want to skip this one, you can. It just gives it the yellow color. So for those who do not like that, you don't have to put it. This is 4 tablespoons. I have 2 cups in here. Grating the butter makes it easier to assemble. And that's one of the biggest hacks I got from Island Vibe Cooking, because that is such a time saver, my goodness. And you can do it with cold butter. For other things where you have to do dough, worst case, I try to do like a little bit room temperature or warmer butter, so it's easier to like assemble. I did use 3 tablespoons about, because I got sick of glazing. This is my buttery hand I've been grating the butter with, so I mix with this hand, so this hand can be free to pour in the water. So here you just go and assemble the butter with your ingredients. If you don't like touching butter or flour, you can use a spoon for this. It's just easier with hands. Please wash your hands before you cook, okay? If you put too much water, just add flour in it. That's why I go little by little, because it's supposed to like assemble. It's supposed to come into a ball. That's how you know. And the flour is supposed to assemble. Okay, sure it's all smooth out, no bumps. I'm a home cook. It doesn't have to be perfect, it has to be tasty and presentable. That's my goal. So I chose this bowl because this comes with a cover. If you don't have a cover, you can definitely use Salmon wrap. And I'm putting this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Prepare your pan how you prefer. I just sprayed mine with avocado oil spray, and I'm making breakfast at the same time. If you're hearing noise on the side, that's what you're hearing. Heat the pan. I will say like on a medium heat. I pre-cut my onion and freeze them as well to save time in general. So add your onion, sweet peppers. I have a clove of garlic I'm gonna cut. Don't burn them like me. Take your canned salmon, not sponsored by any brand, and dip out the water. I am burning this, so I have to cool it down. Chop up the salmon, mix it well in there. Here you can add your peppers, hot sauce, what seasoning you prefer. I'm gonna add adobo, also not sponsored. This video is not sponsored at the recording of this video, so no worries about that. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to this. Cayenne pepper. And when I do fish, I like chives on my fish. chop it up small as best as we can. And I like to squeeze some lime or lemon if you have it. You stop it and you leave it rest. Time to roll out the dough. Put some flour here. And cover your rolling pan with the rest of it. Just roll it out. Actually gonna cut this dough in small pieces and lay it here because I'm gonna air fry my patties, which I've never done, so this is a first try with you all together, and we'll see how it comes out. Try to make it into a circle. I had already sprayed the content. You can use a fork for this pad if you want. I do not want to dirty a fork, so I'm gonna use the same knife and just push it down like this. You can use your fork. Whatever floats your boat. Once you finish the egg wash, if you have a brush it over your patties. This is optional. We know eggs are prices at the film of this video, but just letting you know, if you have them and you can use them, you can. Water and egg. Just a little bit of water and egg to go over this. And like I had breakfast, I just left some egg over to do this. So you don't have to use a full egg. Fryer on bake for 20 minutes on 350 degrees. Yeah, that's time. 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Check your settings on your air fryer to know which settings to put it on if it's time to bake. And this is what they look like after the 25 minutes. They don't look perfect, but I'm home cooked and it's the taste that matters. Let me know if you try to do this yourself, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and take care. And you can like the video as well. Until next video, watch one of the ones YouTube recommend. Bye. This is the inside.